This is Ray from Talk and Fix Wireless. We have now expanded our doors to 207 Ferry Street in Newark, New Jersey. We have been in business for over 5 years, providing the best customer service to our customers. Here we repair iPhones, tablets, computers, iPads, water damage, screens, anything that's wrong with your device, we can fix it here. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Talk and Fix Wireless, or you can visit our website at talkandfixwireless.com. Remember guys that if we can't fix it, nobody can. So hope to see you soon at 207 Ferry Street, Newark, New Jersey.